Good morning, I am Purnima and I welcome you to the class. And we are children, today we will be revising a new poem, Makavati, the Mystery Cat. So children, we have already done, this is the revision work which we are doing, and I hope you all know that Makavati is the name of a cat who was very notorious. Not only very notorious, she was a criminal minded cat. All the crimes which were there in the city, it was done by Makavati, the cat only. And till now children, the worst thing is that nobody catch her. Not even a police, a Scotland Yard police, nobody could catch her. And she was having a criminal mind. She used to escape every time after committing the crime. We all know that children, Makavati has done the crime, but nobody caught her red-handed, and nobody had any proof against the cat Makavati. So children, she was saved every time. So this is written by a very famous poet, T.S. Eliot. So he is very famous poet. He has written Wasteland, okay, which has become very famous. So let's see what he had written here. So first of all, children, I have told you about the poet. Who is the poet of the poem? T.S. Eliot. And then I will be telling you about the background of the poem. Okay, and before that I would like to read the poem. So first of all, let me read the poem, and this poem is about Makavati, the mystery cat. So, do you have a pet cat? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, but Makavati is the cat which is full of mystery. For sure, what is it that makes him a perfect mystery cat? Read the poem and find it out. So children, I am going to read the poem, and then I will be, children, telling you about the background of the poem, and then the explanation of the line of the poem will be there. So first of all, Makavati is a mystery cat. He is called the Hidden Paw. So Makavati is a mystery cat. He is called the Hidden Paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. The flying squibs despair, or when they reach the scene of crime, Makavati is not there. Makavati, there is no one like Makavati. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His power of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, Makavati is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Makavati is not there. Makavati is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly doomed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Makavati, there is no one like Makavati, for he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a big street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then Makavati is not there. So children, this poem proves that Makavati is a very clever cat. Okay, it escaped from where the crime is done. After committing the crime, she escaped, and she don't leave any proof behind her so that the police of the Scotland Yard can come and catch her. Okay, so she is such a clever cat. She escapes every time, leaving nothing against her, and people, she make very children, she is very, what to say, she always make a fool to everyone. When people think she is sleeping, she is always wide awake. So many things, children, her head move from side to side with movements like a snake. And she said, it has been told here that she is a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a big street, you may see him in the square. When a crime discovered, when McCafferty is not there, she doesn't leave any proof against her. We only know that whenever where there is a crime is there, McCafferty is not found there. Okay, so this proves that McCafferty has a relationship with the crime, but she is not leaving any proof. Okay, so few word meaning I would like to tell, I would like to share with you. Okay, disobey or defy. Defy means disobey or resist. Defy, disobey or resist openly. Okay, so our first word meaning is defy, and I've read this thing. Now I will be reading you the first stanza, and I will be explaining you the first stanza of this poem. McCafferty is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. He is a master criminal who can defy the law. So what is the meaning of defy? Disobey or resist. He is the battlement of Scotland Yard. The flying squares disappear. Okay, so it has been told here, McCafferty is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. Baffled is puzzled. Bafflement is puzzled. Bafflement is puzzled. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. Children, Scotland Yard is the headquarters of London Police Force. So, Scotland Yard is an important word. Okay, Scotland Yard. Okay, this is the word, a very famous word. The headquarters of London Police of London Police Force. Okay, he is the headquarters of London Police Force. So what he is telling? He is telling McCafferty is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. So what he is called? What McCafferty is called? He is called the hidden paw. But he is the master criminal. Children, he is called the hidden paw. Okay, who can defy the law. That means who defies the, who revolt, who defy, who is against the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. Children, bafflement is the puzzle of Scotland Yard. The flying Uskets despair. Despair is disappointment. Despair is disappointment. Okay. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. So children, why everybody is baffled, why flying squad is in despair? Because whenever they reach the children place where the crime is caught, is done, they never find the McCavity. In fact, afterward they find that cat sleeping or doing something in the house. Okay. So McCavity is a bafflement. Bafflement is a puzzle of Scotland Yard. What is the meaning of Scotland Yard? The headquarters of London Police Force. And children, the flying squid, she disappointed. Despair means flying squid. Children, she is disappointed. The flying squid, who are the children, the headquarters of London Police Force is there. Even they are disappointed with McCavity, because whenever the crime is there, McCavity is never found on the spot. She goes somewhere. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. Children, because children, when everybody goes there to find out about McCavity, that where is she is there in the scene of the crime, nobody found her and she is not caught red-handed. So the poet, okay, T.S. Eliot is the poet. The poet calls McCavity a master criminal, and McCavity can defy law because he is not afraid of law and the police. That's why she defy the law. Defy means she disobey or resist openly the law. When the police reach the scene of crime, they don't find McCavity there. The word bafflement means puzzle. Okay, now stanza 2. I am going to read stanza 2. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. He is broken every human law. Broken means disobey. So what he had done? He had disobeyed. Broken means disobey. Broken means disobey. His power of levitation would make a fakir stare. Levitation is floating on the air. Levitation is floating in the air. Stare is look, seek is search for. Stare is look, seek is search for. Stare is look, seek is search for. And basement is underground space. Basement is okay. So defy is disobey or resist openly. Bafflement, puzzle. Scotland, the headquarter of London Yard. Scotland Yard is the this is there. The headquarter of London Police Force. Then disappear means disappointed. broken is disobey, levitation is floating on the air, seek is search for, basement is underground space. So I'm going to explain the second part of the second stanza. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. So the poet is telling there is no smart cat like Macavity. He has broken every human law. That means children, he had disobeyed every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. He breaks the law of gravity. Okay. His power of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Levitation is children floating on the air. That means the way it jumps from one building to another, it seems it is floating in the air, or from where it comes and goes, and the way it jumps, even the fakir children, even they find it that it is very strange, and the way it jumps, so they found it very strange. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there, children. When you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air. No, you may seek him. Seek means search for. He search for. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air. Look up in the air, that means, children, you may seek him in the basement. Seek is search. Basement is underground. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. So it's telling, but I will tell you once again, Macavity is not there. So Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, because it always, children, nobody can find her when there is a crime is there. He has broken every human law. He has disobeyed all the human law, and he breaks the law of gravity. Okay. How his power of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. First of all, children, the way it jumps into the air, it floats into, it seems as if it is floating into the air. It makes fakir also stare. Even they are surprised. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Now the writer is telling, but I am telling you once again, Macavity is not there. So who is Macavity? It is a mystery cat, and it is a master criminal in the shape of a cat. It is believed, children, that it is a master criminal in the shape of a cat, or in the body of a cat. How is he a master criminal? He has broken all the law of human as well as of nature. That's why Macavity is known as master criminal, because it has broken all the laws of human as well as of the nature. Then he has spread panic among people. Okay. And how does he break Newton's law of gravity? He floats in the air without support. So it has broken Newton's law of gravity. What is the main feature of Macavity? It is difficult to trace how the main feature is till now. Whenever the crime is there, everybody know that it is the Macavity, which is the crime is caused by Macavity only. But when the police or the police force reaches there, it leaves the place. Nobody can caught him red-handed. So nobody can take any action against the cat. Now, what does the word levitation in the above stanza means? The levitation in the above stanza means floating in the air. So now, children, I am going to do the third stanza. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly doomed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake, and when you think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake. So children, this is all there in stanza 3, the last stanza of the poem, and I will be writing you some important word meaning. So ginger cat is a light brown orange color. Ginger. So what is the meaning of ginger cat? Orange or light brown color cat. So Macavity is known as a ginger cat. It's reddish. The hair must be a bit reddish or a children light brown color cat. Sunken in, deep in. Sunken in is, his eyes is sunken in, deep in. Okay, and brow is forehead, lined is wrinkled. Brow is forehead. Brow is forehead. Lined is wrinkled. Dome is high and round. Line is wrinkled here. Okay. And doomed is okay. Doomsday. Doomed is high and round. High and round. Okay, doom is high and round. Dusty is soiled, and neglect is carelessness. Dusty is soiled. Okay, dusty is soiled, neglect is carelessness, and whisker is hair on the cheeks. Uncombed is in disorder. Sways means moves. Sways means moves. So these are all the children difficult word meaning of the third stanza. Ginger cat is orange or light brown color cat. Sunken in means deep in. Brow is forehead. Leg is wrinkled. Doom is high and round. Neglect is carelessness. Dusty is soiled, and sways means moved. So I am going to explain the third stanza, students. That Macavity is a ginger cat. So what is the meaning of ginger? Some reddish color or dark orange color, or some orangish color, or light brown colors. Okay, color of the ginger. He is very tall and thin, and children, that cat is very tall. It is thin also. You would know him if you saw him, and you can realize how tall and thin he was when you will look at him. For eyes are sunken, and children, his eyes are sunken in. The eyes are deep inside the eyeballs, where the children, where the eyes are there. Brow is forehead. His brow is deeply lined. Lined is children. His brow is lined. It is full of wrinkles there, and with thought, his head is highly domed, and children, his head is always held high with full of thought which are not good. His coat is dusty from neglect, children. He never cares to take a bath or to clean himself. His coat is always dusty, it is soiled, and because of neglect, his very carelessness, due to his carelessness, his coat is always dusty, and children, it is always neglected. He neglect his own self. Whiskers his hair on the cheeks, and he sway his head from side to side with movements like a cat. Now children, he sways the movement of his head like this, like this, like this, just like the snake move its head here and there. It sways. Macavity also move its head. Okay. Then, and when you think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake. And children, the worst thing is that he always pretend to be as if he is sleeping. He's deep in his sleep. Okay, he's having a sound sleep, but actually he is fully awake. He's wide awake. Okay, and he doesn't sleep. So this is the description of Macavity. You can see how he used to fool the people. And how does the poet describe Macavity in the very first line? He is tall and thin. What is the peculiar about his head? It moves like a snake. Okay. What is the peculiar about his head? The head is round like a dome. And how does he move? He moves his head very like a snake. And when they think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake. How does he dodge people and the police? When they think he's half asleep, he is always wide awake. What does the word uncombed in the above stanza mean? The uncombed in the above stanza mean here, children, untidy. It doesn't have anything to do with the tidy of the hair. It means untidy. Okay, so this is the condition. Now so children, till now what we have studied, that Macavity is a mystery cat. Whenever we are having some problem or some criminal activities is there, though everybody know that it is done by a Macavity, but then also children, the Macavity is not found there. Even the police department and whole Scotland Yard police is baffled. They don't know where it could have gone and how quickly it goes there. The moment they get somebody phone them, immediately the crime has happened and the police forces used to reach them. They could not find Macavity anywhere. So children, that's why it is known as mystery cat, because till now it has nobody can catch that cat red-handed. And children, whenever there is a crime, that cat escapes. So all the police men, they are baffled, they are very much puzzled. It breaks all the law. That means children, it breaks all the law, it breaks all the rule. It never follow, children, it never follows the rules and regulation. It always breaks the rules and regulation. And even children, the way it floats itself in the air, the fakirs are also surprised. The way it floating in the air means maybe it must be jumping from one building to another, or from one side to another. So everybody is worried here. And then he always fool the people sometimes he sleeps and people feel that he is awake. So children, only two paragraph or is still remain to be explained, and since the time is left, so I have to conclude this video. And explanation of the question answer, explanation of the new word, and still two paragraph has to be, stanza has to be explained, and we will be doing very soon in the next part of the video. With this I conclude, I take leave from you people. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Goodbye student.